1-month-old baby with sniffling and clicking sounds when turning. What to do? A 1-month-old baby making sniffling noises and clicking sounds when turning their head is a cause for concern, potentially indicating a health issue. Here are some possible reasons and ways to handle them. Symptoms: sniffling, clicking sounds when turning the head, fever, fussiness, discomfort, possible ear discharge. Causes: infection in the middle ear, often caused by bacteria or viruses. 1. Otitis media middle ear infection. Treatment: it's crucial to take your baby to an ear, nose, and throat doctor for examination and prompt treatment. They will prescribe antibiotics or anti-inflammatory medication based on your baby's condition. 1. Otitis media middle ear infection. Symptoms: sniffling, runny nose, coughing, possibly mild fever. Causes: viral or bacterial infection in the nose and throat. 2. Nasopharyngitis common cold. Treatment: clean your baby's nose with saline solution. Encourage fluids to help thin mucus. If your baby has a fever, give them over-the-counter fever medication as directed by a doctor. 2. Nasopharyngitis common cold. Symptoms: sniffling, wheezing, difficulty breathing, coughing, often worse at night or after physical activity. Causes: allergic reaction to triggers like dust, pollen, mold, cigarette smoke, etc. 3. Asthma. Treatment: consult a respiratory specialist for diagnosis and treatment. They might prescribe bronchodilators or other asthma medications. 3. Asthma. Ear, nose, or throat tumors rare in infants. Foreign object in ear: your baby might have inserted a foreign object into their ear, causing blockage and hearing difficulties. Foreign object in nose: a foreign object lodged in your baby's nose can cause difficulty breathing and nasal discharge. 4. Other potential causes. If your baby exhibits any unusual symptoms, seek medical attention promptly. Do not administer medications to your baby without a doctor's prescription. Regularly clean your baby's ears, nose, and throat with saline solution. Provide your baby with a balanced diet to strengthen their immune system. Important notes. Contact your pediatrician or a hospital for further assessment and advice about your baby's condition. Important notes.